Hey everybody, Mike here with another RV quick tip. You got these hoses, you got these electrical cables, and they kind of take up a lot of room in the back of your RV. Well, if you've got a headboard in yours, let me show you a great little trick. I had this on our previous RV and now we're putting it on the new one. Went to Home Depot and I picked up something called a Rubbermaid fasttrack. Okay, it consists of a little metal bracket that you can screw right into the back of the headboard, and then from that you can hang all those cords and those cables that take up all that room in the bottom of your storage area in the back. Let me show you how. When you attach the bracket, make sure you fasten it securely. You don't have to put a screw in every hole, but make sure you use enough screws to make sure that is in there solid and it's not going to pop loose if you have a bump. Also, make sure that you use screws that are short. You don't want them to go through the other side of that headboard. I used number 8 by 1/2 inch wood screws. Alright, the black protective cover just snaps on the bracket once you've got it up there. Next up, brackets. I have 3 that I'm going to place along the edge of that bracket. Let me show you how that works. The brackets have a little locking mechanism here. You basically just push it on. There's a little lip, lock it. You can slide it, put it into whatever position you want, and then lock it in, and it stays into place. So there you go, a nice, neat way to stow those cables and hoses. Lots of room left over. I'm Mike. This has been another RV Quick Tip. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the RV Lifestyle channel right here on YouTube.